Hi my dear Qigong friends, today we flow through the 6 phases of Qigong flow using the YOQI method. This system was developed by my dear teacher and YOQI founder, Marissa Cranfield. Through her deep study of traditional Chinese medicine, Qigong, yoga, and energy regulation, she observed that a complete practice follows a natural cycle of 6 distinct phases: attune, purge, tonify, grow, circulate, and integrate. As a certified YOQI instructor, I use this powerful framework to create routines tailored to specific themes. Today's focus is balance. To achieve this, we will work with the polarities of fire and water. What makes the 6-phase system so loved around the world is its ability to do more than just move the body. It purposefully shifts and transmutes your state of being into pure, refined energy. So let's get started. I'm honored to take you on this journey through the 6 phases. Breathe deep and feel your Qi. We begin our practice with phase 1, attunement. Let's arrive together and attune ourselves to nature all around us and to our own energy. We come into Wuji posture by aligning our body to the forces of yin and yang. Stand feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward, and feel your feet deeply rooted with the earth. Relax your joints. Lift your pelvis by slightly sinking your tailbone down. Lengthen your spine, chin slightly tucked in. Imagine an invisible string attached to the crown of your head, pulling you upright. Open your arms and fingers gently and feel into your body an energetic connection between heaven and earth. Now smile. Let your smile shine from your eyes and into your heart. From the stillness of Wuji, we come into our first movement called knocking on the door of life. Begin to move and rotate from your center left and right. Relax your body and keep your spine and head upright. Your hands begin to gently knock across your lower body, on the Mingmen, on the lower back, and on the front to activate the lower dantian, our center of vitality. Let's take 3 purging breaths, in from the nose and exhale from the mouth. Well done. Come to stillness and sense and feel your body. From attunement, we flow into phase 2, purge. When we purge, we clear out the old and make room for the new. We begin with tapping. First, rub your hands together, create some warmth, some friction. Then make a claw with your fingers and tap on the ribs. The thumbs hit right below the breasts. Let's use a purging breath to let go. So inhale from the nose and exhale, blow it out the mouth. Let go of any pent-up stress, frustration, anger. Simply breathe and tap on the spleen endpoints to clear and strengthen your body's energy. Now come to stillness and sense and feel. Next, rub the hands and we tap stomach 2 and 3 on the cheekbones. This is a great point to boost the immune system. Keep on breathing and purging old stagnant energy. Tapping here helps with opening the sinuses. We often hold habitual tension in the jaw. Tapping here reminds the body to soften and to relax. If you like, shift your jaw from side to side. Now the forehead. Imagine playing the piano. Tapping here brings more blood flow to the front part of the brain. Make a claw now, and from the center brush out and away. Imagine pulling old thoughts from your mind. Let them go and fall into the earth. Pinch your fingers together and tap yin tang, also called the third eye, waking the mind, opening ourselves to new thoughts and ideas. Swap the hand and keep tapping. And become still and feel. Next, Bai Hui. Your thumbs touch the tip of your ears, your middle fingers land on Bai Hui. Hold and then massage in little circles. This raises the yang qi, clears fatigue, and boosts mental clarity and focus. Now press, inhale, and with the exhale, open your arms like a whale spouting a fountain of water. Now shake it all off. Shake the tree is a fantastic purging practice to let go of stress and recharge the body with fresh energy. Simply bounce into your heels, let your arms swing by your sides. Relax all joints, become so loose. Then come into stillness and feel the buzzing and tingling in your whole body. Shaking stimulates our cellular growth and rejuvenation. From here, we flow into the next phase, tonify. When we tonify, we strengthen our energy. Swing your arms up to face height. Palms face the body and exhale down. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, flow down. This is a water flow called arm swings. It flows from the purging practices into the tonifying practices. If you need more cleansing, imagine scooping up crystal clear water and exhale, blow it out the mouth. If you want to tonify, breathe from your nose and imagine the water element rejuvenating your face, skin, and body. Now scoop up and hold your palms facing your face. Let's energize the face with pure Qi by circling your hands over your face. Feel refreshed and clear. Now open your palms and draw them down like washing and rinsing it all away. We meet in Bao Qi by holding the Qi in front of the lower dantian. Next, we tonify the fire element with fire and water interact. Inhale, hands flow to chest height. Exhale, arms flow down. When you inhale, feel the rising energy of the fire element. And when you exhale, feel the descending energy of the water element. Keep flowing in your rhythm and breathe from your nose. This movement creates internal harmony and vitality, cools the heart fire, warms the kidneys, and creates an internal elixir of yin and yang. This time we extend the flow by expanding the energy from our heart, circle around and flow down. Inhale up, exhale flow out. Inhale, expand the energy. Exhale, let the energy sink and return. This flow is called fire and water unite and opens the heart energy and connects us to our human force. Let the energy rise to your heart and then expand out all around you into the world, then sink and return back to you in perfect harmony. Feel how your heart's energy builds and circulates the Qi in a powerful bioelectromagnetic field around you. Last one. This time, imagine catching a ball in your hands and pulse. We are now entering phase 4, grow. We begin to build up and grow our Qi. The easiest way to feel this is by pulsing on a Qi ball. Now turn the ball and begin to refine the energy. Hold your Qi ball by having your hands diagonal to one another, We breathe and amplify the Qi now. Inhale, hold the breath in and pulse 3 times. Exhale, roll the ball. Again, inhale, hold the breath, pulse. Exhale, roll. One more time. Focus on your breath and on the Qi between your palms. Then begin to roll the energy, making it stronger and stronger. Come to stand with holding your Qi ball in front of your lower dantian. Let's infuse this energy with a powerful affirmation. You can say it out loud with me. I am calm. I am balanced. I am fully energized. Smile. And turn your Qi ball. Phase 5. Circulate. Disperse the Qi. The backs of the hands flow together up the center line. Open at the kidney endpoint Shufu by the collarbones and flow in a circle. Again, inhale, raise the Qi. Exhale, flow. The spine gently undulates like a wave. This flow is called the Fontain and circulates a smooth flow of Qi through the kidney meridian. This water flow balances and cools the fire. Imagine a beautiful fountain circulating eternal energy. Now embody the water element by flowing up only the left arm, then the right. The body shifts the weight gently from side to side in a figure 8 pattern. Flow like water, so softly, so gently, but so powerful. Connect with your internal source of power. The breath is smooth and refined. Return to the fountain. Now we will bring all the flows together into embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. This time disperse the Qi. Backs of the hands flow up the center line. At the heart flow out and expand all around. Fall and disperse again. Inhale, draw up. Exhale, flow out. Inhale, expand. Exhale, flow down to disperse. Now you know the movements externally. Begin to flow internally with your breath guiding the movement. In this flow, we unite the water, fire, and metal element. The tiger stands for the Pua spirit, our instincts. The mountain is our place of calm. So embrace your tiger instinct and return to inner peace. Last time. And now catch your Qi in your palms and pulse again. We come to our final phase 6, integrate. To store and integrate all this good Qi, we pulse the energy and condense it into a potent Qi pearl. Lay your hands onto your lower dantian, onto the sea of Qi. Inhale, and with the exhale, imagine the pearl sinks down deeper and deeper onto the ocean floor in front of the spine. Open your right hand in front of the lower dantian and with the left circle around and down the midline. Now the other, inhale and exhale down. This is the integration flow and centers, balances, and integrates all this good qi we cultivated. Inhale and exhale. Center your upper, middle, and lower dantian. One more. Feel your mind, heart, and body in complete balance and harmony. Step your feet together. And now surrender like a bamboo in the wind. Let your body sway gently from side to side, forth and back, and observe the intelligence of your body to always know how to return back to balance. Come to stillness and with the hands in prayer at your heart. Let's say the YOQI mantra together. I am in the universe. The universe is in me. I am blessed and filled with qi. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free. May all beings be blessed and filled with qi. Amitufwa. Thank you for flowing with me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this practice and like to learn more about Qigong and vitality practices, you can visit my website at zenbodyflow.com and join my newsletter to keep in touch. If you would like to become a certified Qigong flow instructor, contact me for more information. You'll find all links in the description box underneath the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. With so much gratitude. Bye-bye.